Karen here from Eco Health Solutions. I'm here just to have a quick chat with you about the evening use of devices, particularly in relation to phones and tablets. So it's actually really interesting. The studies that I've been reading have been coming out of Israel, and they've been looking at the shortwave light, which comes from the LED lights that are used in our devices. And they found that the evening use, just 2 hours each evening for using these devices, had a significant impact on subjective sleepiness, the suppressed melatonin secretion, increased greater negative emotions. Negative emotions being exhibited. There was many more awakenings at night time, so very poor proper sleep, proper deep sleep. There was decreased sleep efficiency, which is when that's basically the time it takes for you to get into a really beautiful deep sleep, and it's the REM sleep, the rapid eye movement sleep. And as well as that, there was also, and the following day, it reduced ability to discriminate between targets from non-targets, so that means that there's a reduced accuracy response. So there's a few of the different factors that come into play from the shortwave light exposure. What was interesting too with this study was that they found that it didn't matter if you dimmed the screens on these devices, it still had the same effect. So dimming the screens isn't the problem. The other factor that I think is quite interesting is they weren't looking at the electromagnetic radiation side of things. They weren't looking at it in terms of radio frequency exposure or anything like that. It was purely the light from these devices. So I would encourage you to have a think about what that means for you in your day. Is there a way that you could have a cut-off time for device exposure? So for us, it's usually around 7 p.m. We shut off all our devices and equipment, and from then on, it's just a quiet evening routine. So just putting that out there for food for thought, and definitely for interest's sake, because I think there's many ways that we can affect the quality of our sleep, both in a positive and negative way. So I hope that helps you. I'll be back in another couple of days just to share some more interesting information with you. Have a fantastic night. See you next time.